Hi guys, a very good morning. Today I am wearing this lip shade. I've done a review on this, you can check. This is Super Stay 24 color, okay, and the shade is 005. It's a nice red shade, a dark red, okay. And today I wanted to show you something. So I have been receiving Glamego box since the longest period of time as I started my YouTube. And one thing which I genuinely can say, that this brand, like how Little Curves you have seen growing, I have seen this brand growing. Plus I would say their packaging, their quality is really very good. Sometimes like they have some products which are really amazing. They are the best products, like their McCaffeine face pack which I got once. It was the best face pack, and this time they have come up with this January box which I got, and it's pretty affordable. So let me see what is in my January box, okay. First, the packaging. I really love their packaging. It's so nice. I mean, they have invested a lot in their packaging. At this rate, with the packaging, 5 products, you know, you can't get. It's just for 399 rupees, and so many products, you know. Either you can gift it to someone, like they have this Sesa shampoo which is the best for hair fall, or you know, you want good volume of your hair. So this oil is really very good, and I did not use it before, but I'm going to definitely use it. Whereas my mother-in-law used to use Sesa, this Sesa, and even one of my relatives used to use. In fact, doctor had recommended this one to her because she had baldness over here, okay. So she used to use. And then you have my favorite is the charcoal mask. This I really will be using soon and sharing it on my Insta story. But the best part is it is for men and women both. So Aditya will be also using, and I love anything which is with charcoal. Then the best thing which they have, my favorite, are these 2 coconut oil body lotion from Palmer's. You know, really these miniatures are so travel friendly. Soon I'm going to travel, and that time it will be really very convenient for us. And I love anything from Palmer's. Like I have been using Palmer's in my personal level, and I have been always promoting this brand. Palmer's is really very good. Even now I am wearing their night cream for moisturizing my face, just because I really love all the products, you know, even if it is a cleanser or a day cream or a body lotion, anything from Palmer's, I really love their products, seriously. Now the last thing which they have is this Bella Vista high definition foundation, okay. This is something new, and my shade is 02, okay. So they had 3 shades in this, and I have chosen the lightest one. It's liquid in texture, so that's really good for this season. It's very light onto my skin. That also is very nice, you know, something light, very light. In fact, it's a bit oily. For dry skin it will be really very good. For my skin also it will be really very good, and it gives good amount of coverage. Plus you cannot feel that you have applied, so you know, it's really very good. It's not heavy onto your skin, so I'm looking forward to apply this, and it matches with the shade so of my skin, so it's really nice. Look at this. Wait, I'll show you. See, I've applied here. It's not at all heavy, and it is nice, you know. It moisturizes my skin. It's a bit kind of oily. Plus, what have they written? This individual packet was for $6.99, whereas you know the complete kit you get for 399 rupees. If you are someone who is new to makeup, or you know, who are very what do you say, if you are someone who is YouTubing, or you are someone who is fond of makeup, or you want to give someone and you are confused what to give, such kind of boxes are really very good, because in one thing you get so many items, you know. And this is also it has SPF, like sun protection formula, so that's good. Then it's even and smooth in application, that was yes. Then long wear, yes. And easy to blend, yes, it blended very easily onto my skin, so I really love this. So this whole complete kit is my favorite for January. Okay, so we are at CP now. We came here for some work, and let's see, I'm hoping that work will be done today. So now we'll go to Starbucks and have hot chocolate drink. और आज हवा बहुत चल रही है और धूप भी अच्छी निकली हुई है, लाइक दिस क्वाइट नाइस सन आउटसाइड. और हवा तो आप जैसे कि आप देख रहे हो, मेरे बाल लहरा रहे हैं. So now I'm wearing this turtleneck sweater from Forever 21 with my leggings and boots. Lip shade I have shown you. This one, I'm really liking the lip shade. It's long stay. That's it. Now let's go have hot chocolate drink, finish off the work, and then we'll go back to home. So alright, I'm back home, and still the lip shade is there. It's really very nice. And my work got So my work got done. I'm very happy that I was working on this new thing, and half of my work is done. I couldn't vlog there just because I didn't want it to. I was so much into that work, and trust me, so do subscribe, because you are going to see something very new, very interesting, and I'm really happy. I always say, when the channel is growing, everything is growing, but at the same time there are things which are just sitting behind. I cannot express it, but I can just tell that there are times that life is not always being happy. There are times when I get sad, when I feel bad, or you know, I cry or everything, but it's just that it's part of life and we should learn. I have in 2019 or 18 also, like mid of 18, I started promising myself that I'm not going to let myself down in front of anyone, even if it's something wrong or anything. I'll learn to be more strong, and that's what I did, and that's what I'm doing even now. I'm really working on myself rather than working on someone else, and nobody is perfect in life, you know. We all are very imperfect people, and we should be, like, you know, nobody can be perfect, but we are perfect for our loved ones. That's what I feel. And I just want to say that family really plays a very, very important role of whatever I have today, or wherever I am today, like where I am today. My family pushes me very hard when it comes to my work, and they have so much of interest. I'm getting a call, so just wait. So sorry, I got a mail. I got a phone, and that's what I was saying. Like, you know, it's better to start focusing on yourself, your potentials, what you want in life, and you know, your career, your studies, your passion. That's really very, very important. There will be times when you will feel alone, where you will feel that you need people around, but it's just a phase. So do remember, these are small phases in life. It's better that you focus on yourself and your happiness and everything which is surrounded with positivity around you. That's really very important, and trust me, your family plays very important role in making you realize that. They are always with you. So now Aditya is making bread pizza for me and I love it. Okay, and also I wanted to share some happy cooking videos with you all. So do write down in the comment section what you want to see, like what you want me, because next week I'm planning to have a happy cooking session. And also there are more creative things which we are thinking about, and there will be coming something more creative. Plus I'm going to travel soon. I'm not disclosing now, but I'm traveling soon, so there will be many things coming around. I'm just informing you tidbits of all these things. That's it. So do subscribe to our channel, hit the button like, and stay tuned for more and more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.